are currently trying to implement an electric vehicle policy that would promote persons transitioning over to electric vehicles.
Je m'intéresse à tout ce qui peut être fait dans les autres pays en matière de transport décarboné. Et donc, je suis à la recherche de solutions pour notre pays. Et je suis aussi à la recherche de solutions et de partage des problèmes qu'ils peuvent rencontrer. On a traité le problème de l'utilisation des nouvelles technologies pour faire avancer notre domaine, le transport maritime.
So apart from the beautiful location, I'm really interested to see what other countries are doing. So seeing what other islands are doing will help us have ideas as to how we ourselves can progress forward.
Partage de données, la communication avec des territoires qui sont similaires aux nôtres est important.
Some of the islands, some of the countries that are represented here are pretty much further. For instance, the presentation that was given today by Bermuda, hey, that was really impressive.
There's lots to learn from, what we were discussing is also some similarities in the obstacles and challenges that we have.
Also, what I liked is that they gave a view of the different forms of renewable energy.
And it's been very helpful because we do realize that a lot of these other regions, they have the same problems as we do. And so this is a good way to exchange information and ideas on how we can solve these problems together.